Claude AI can integrate with Gmail through connectors available in the Claude desktop app. This connection allows Claude to access selected Gmail data, enabling AI SSID email management, drafting, summarization, and workflow automation. This tutorial outlines the steps to link both platforms. Steps to connect Claude AI to Gmail. First, open the Claude desktop app on your computer. This works on both Windows and Mac. Ensure you are logged into your Claude account before continuing. Once the app is open, look for the Customize option. This is typically found in the menu next to Skills. Inside Customize, locate a section called Connectors. This section allows you to link Claude with other tools such as Gmail, Google Drive, or Slack. Click on Connectors. You will see a list of available connectors. Click Browse Connectors at the top right. Type Gmail in the search bar and press Enter. Scroll through the list until you find Gmail. Then click on it to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to authorize the connection. This requires logging into your Google account that has access to the Gmail mailbox you want to connect. Follow the on-screen steps, enter your login details, and grant the requested permissions. After logging in, you will be asked to select the Gmail account or mailbox you want to connect. Choose the appropriate account and confirm your selection. Once all permissions and account selections are confirmed, the connection will be established. Claude is now linked with Gmail limitation. The specific features available through the Claude Gmail connector depend on the version of the desktop app and your Claude subscription tier. Some connectors may require a paid plan. Gmail access permissions must be granted during setup, and Claude will only be able to access emails or labels you explicitly authorize. This integration is best suited for users who want to leverage AI assistance for email drafting, summarization, or inbox management within Gmail. Conclusion: connecting Claude AI to Gmail involves opening the Claude desktop app, navigating to Customize and Connectors, searching for Gmail, authorizing the connection through your Google account, and selecting the desired mailbox. Once linked, Claude can interact with selected Gmail content based on the connector's permissions and capabilities.